We Conceive is an artificial insemination kit which is designed to help husband and wife conceive on their own in the privacy and comfort of the home. The concept of the We Conceive kit theory is based on research and trials conducted in the Netherlands by Dr. P. Fillerman, H. Hogerziel and D. Hamerica in a test. He found that if a couple used the cervical cup, then there is 40% success in 6 attempts and 80% success in 8 attempts to have positive results. This solution is 40 or 50 times cheaper than IVF and can be done at home without doctor's help and without any prescription. But not every childless couple benefits from this method, especially those women who have a tube block. The good news is that this method is effective for 80 to 90% of couples. There are no side effects as well as no hormonal injections or chemicals are used in this method. It is 100% natural and easy to use for both husband and wife. We have created a collection of frequently asked questions on our website. Please read it before buying the kit. For any further information, you can contact us on our WhatsApp or email. Our counselor is available 24/7 at your service. So, let's get started. After purchasing the kit through our website or distribution channel partners, you will get a We Conceive kit that looks like this. Well, We Conceive kit can be easily opened like a matchbox in which you will see 5 things in the box. 1. A user manual. 2. An ovulation kit. 3. A semen collection box. 4. A syringe which does not contain a needle. And 5th, one We Conceive cup. It is very important to know here that you can use this cup only once. After use, destroy it as directed. Do not try to use it again because this cup is made with a special method and it comes sanitized from the factory, which is suitable for your sperm, and it is not advisable to use it again after the coating has been removed. Subhag Healthtech provides free counseling to its customer. To avail free counseling, you can scan the barcode on the back of the package or you can also directly call on our number 90364 90490. The process of artificial insemination starts from the day you place the order for We Conceive. You can think of it as a process to be done in 2 steps. Step 1. This is the first step that you can see as a preparation in which both husband and wife prepare themselves, in which the wife knows about her ovulation day and the husband gets to know number of days of absentee where you shall not make relationship. You must know the right fertile day in the month on which you have to do the process of insemination. This day is called ovulation day and it is most important to know your ovulation date in the whole process, which you can track through the ovulation tracker kit which has been provided in the kit. If you want to know how to use ovulation tracker and calculate fertile dates, then you can visit our website www.weconceive.com or our YouTube channel Subhag Healthtech. As soon as you come to know about your ovulation day, from that day onwards, you have to take very good care of your diet. You should do a regular exercise. If you drink or smoke, then you have to quit it. Now you have to wait for your ovulation day, and when the ovulation day is confirmed through the ovulation kit, follow step 2, which I am going to tell you next. Step 2. Now you are all set to do the insemination. As shown in the picture in the manual or according to this video, fold the We Conceive. This cup will go inside your vagina like a menstrual cup. We Conceive cup is made up of medical grade silicone, which is used for insemination. It bypasses all infertility problems in man as well as increases the time for egg and sperm to meet, which increases the chances of pregnancy. Now you have to give this collection cup to your husband. The collection cup is sealed like this and can be easily opened by removing the packaging. And after opening the cup, you have to give this to your husband to collect his semen in it. After collecting the semen, close the lid and leave it like this for 30 to 40 minutes at room temperature. Don't keep it under refrigerator or at any other temperature. By keeping the semen at room temperature in this way, the semen becomes liquid and the sperms present in it become active from the sleeping state. Now you can take the We Conceive cup out of the sterilized pack and lubricate the We Conceive cup or the inner wall of your vagina using a natural lubricant that is sperm friendly. For this, you can use baby oil or coconut oil. As you can see, you have to fold it around this line. It has to be folded very easily like this. As soon as you fold it, it will come in its working position, and by folding like this, the We Conceive will become very small in shape and size, which is now ready to go into the vagina. Now you have to lie down on your back or the position shown in the manual. As an example, I will show this plastic as a vagina. So all of you have to do is simply take it, and with the help of your finger, you have to move the cup as close to the cervix as possible. Now it is a plastic layer, so it will not go in more. You just have to insert it. After this, it is a syringe which does not have a needle. It is just a collection syringe. If it is more than the syringe capacity, then you can collect the required volume, and if it is less, then you have to fill the hole in it. After that, you have to go towards the tail of the We Conceive. Your husband can help you in this. Now you have to attach the end of the syringe to the tail of We Conceive. It's a very simple process. It simply gets attached to this tail, and after connecting it, you have to push this syringe very slowly and easily. After waiting for about 3 minutes, the syringe can be removed from this. Put a stopper at the end of the tail, then you have to lie in the position for about 3 to 4 hours. So, this is a very easy method, and after about 3 to 4 hours, you can pull it out very easily with the tail of We Conceive. If the volume of semen is more than the volume of uterus, then it's possible to have some remaining semen coming out with We Conceive. But there is nothing to worry about this. In this way, you have successfully completed your home insemination. If you have more questions, please visit Frequently Asked Questions or contact us on 9036490490 using WhatsApp. We respect your privacy and you can chat with us in every language. Our best wishes are with you that you get good news soon.